All right, well, I love the music. I love the music. DJ Sion, big up yourself. Marcus Myrie held nothing back in his social media rant against his father, Buju Banton. In a series of angry Instagram stories posted on Thursday, the Marcus Records producer is calling for his father to return to prison. Strange, eh? Among the string of shocking accusations hurled at Buju Banton, Marcus claims that there has been so much family drama since his release in December last year. He also stated that he would press charges against his father, but didn't mention the reason. He also went on to tag both his father and US President Donald Trump in one of the IG stories. All right. Buju Banton is preparing for the show later, you know, big long walk to freedom concert, and it's at the National Stadium. He has not yet responded to his son's public rant via social media. All right, Dwayne, what do you think?
I don't think Buju has responded to a lot of things.
He didn't respond to nothing. Yeah. He put out one social media post to be like, hey, I've got it, I'm on IG. This is your impersonation?
Looking forward to see the ones-on-ones at our concert later.
Them say I have to be on this team.
I will be there. Will you?
You know they have a challenge later.
I know,
today, right? You just wasted like a whole impersonation. Yeah. But guess what? Family drama is family drama. He's not the first child of a celebrity in Jamaica to go off like this in recent times. We had the last drama the other day after Rebel Salute, and that came up, and then, you know, here we are again.
So. As you said, it's family drama, and that will never, ever, ever stop.
Yeah.
And I don't know the intricate details of what happened, and I won't speculate, because one party hasn't responded. So I won't go on a limb to say, you know, this is what happened exactly. I mean, I heard stories from credible sources, but I can't take that.
Yeah, there are three sides to every story.
Always.
Always. My side, your side, and the truth. And of course, you only hear this side, so we really can't come to a decision on what is the truth. But I hope that whatever family drama is happening, you guys get to a point where you can resolve it, because at the end of the day...
My brother says a publicity thing.
A publicity?
Yeah, sell more tickets. You know
possibly. You know how publicists are. They will concoct stories to keep you in the media, to keep you in the mainstream. So that's a possibility as well.
Well, moving on from that drama, let's talk about concert expectations. So reggae artists, Chronix, Coco T, Etana, Ghost, and Romain Virgo have been listed as, let's say listed. That means they might show up or might not show up.
No man, them depend on something.
Because, you know, I'm a vex.
You love vex?
Yeah man. Although I'm not go. Yeah, some of those people will perform at Buju's Long Walk to Freedom concert, which will be held at the National Stadium. If you don't know, now you know, in Kingston, which will be closed off for the concert. And will be Buju's first appearance on local soil in more than a decade.
Big up to him.
Yeah, and Sasko. Sasko going to be there.
Sasko?
Yeah, man.
Hey, that man is a fantastic performer. You know? I had the joy, I would say, of watching his performance at Rum Festival last week, and he was ill. And yet still, he was one of the best performers. He's amazing.
Yeah, man, a star, man. Man a star. But who do you think will be there?
Let's see. Yeah. Let us know on social media. You know we want to hear from you. Make sure you tell us. Well, guess what? There's one more topic for you. And this one, still Jamaican, but it's more political. It was a carnival-like atmosphere in East Portland on Friday as the JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz and the PNP's Damian Crawford were nominated by their respective parties. Anne-Marie Vaz arrived at the Port Antonio Courthouse in style to secure her nomination as the pillion rider of a motorcycle being driven by her husband, Darrell Vaz, much to the delight of thousands of laborites who turned out for the occasion. You got to take a look at this. Watch out.
He might walk with a bike.
Yes, yes, yes. We love the drama in this place, it seems. I mean, that was a good idea. Yeah. I mean, I thought that was cute.
One day, I go ride a bike and you jump on the bike.
No, thanks. I'm not assured of your capacity to ride a bike, so I won't do that.
Yeah, but in all honesty, though, good luck to the candidates. All the best to those in East Portland. Just, you know, keep it safe, keep it clean, and just...
I like the fact that you said that. Yesterday when we were on OB in Trelawney, we made sure to say that at Valmont Square. You know, one thing that we have to focus on is that we want this to be clean and we want it to be healthy. We don't want any violence. We don't want to, let's just keep it nice. Let's keep it fun, like the video, you know. Let's keep it at that point and not sink into denigration and all of this wonderful nastiness that can happen. All right, guys. Well, best of luck until the 4th of April. Campaign, do your stuff, enjoy, and look forward to the concert later. Let us know what you feel on all our social media pages, Insta, Facebook, and we're still
Twitter.
not working on stuff.
Twitter.
Yeah. We'll be right back.